And I think this idea kind of takes away the excitement. If we expect a Napa Valley Pinot Noir to taste the same as a Burgundy Pinot Noir, which is maybe impossible, but even the idea to do that, why would that be interesting? The interesting thing is to taste all these different expressions.
I think that's a very good point. And I'd even go as far as to say that it's almost disrespectful to Burgundy to to say to try to say like, oh, our Napa Valley Pinot Noir is as good as the best Burgundies. I think that keep Burgundy as it is. It's been successful for many years, and people appreciate it. And allow the customer to experiment and enjoy these different expressions. There's, like I said, no wrong answers.
Yeah, totally.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.